Here are 3 ways that SKILLZ 3.0 gives you a high return on investment. Number 1 is our age-specific drills library. In the SKILLZ platform, we have thousands of drills, and they're divided by age and skill. You have early skills, which is your preschoolers, basic skills, which is your kindergartners and first graders, core skills, which is your elementary schoolers, your 2nd through 4th, 5th grade, and then extreme skills, which is your middle schoolers. They are then subdivided by 8 different skills. For example, in the basic skills program, it's focus, teamwork, control, memory, balance, discipline, fitness, and coordination. So what you do is you essentially just go in, select the skill that you're going to teach for the day. I recommend you just stay in order because it keeps it very simple so that you're systematically rotating those skills. Pick 2 of those drills, run them in class, and increase your retention. Now, in these age-specific skills, there's a teaching skill and a brain skill that elevates the value of that particular drill. They're also written out step-by-step and candid video of the students actually running the drill. Now, I know a lot of people are starting to lean into AI, ChatGPT to create drills. The problem with that is that they haven't been tested, so you don't know if they're gonna work or not, if they're gonna be fun. All of our skills are battle tested to make sure that the kids absolutely love them. If they don't, we don't include it in the library. So even if having that drills library saves you 2 hours per week of planning, it's worth the investment. Number 2, you get access to the SKILLZ University Instructor Certification Crash Course Bundle. It's 9 different courses, things like teaching skills, speaking skills, class management skills, all of the stages of development. And not only do you get access for your paid team, you get access codes for all of your Storm Team members. So imagine a 10-year-old who's coming into your Storm Team program and getting onboarded with these online courses that they can take at their own pace. As a matter of fact, I love getting messages from parents who are watching the courses with their kids saying, wow, that was really good, and I took something out of those instructor certification crash courses. Number 3, you get access to our child development workshops and the child development workshop archives. Every single month on the first Wednesday of the month at 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time, I run a child development workshop where I dive in depth to neuroscience and understanding how children learn and grow. If you're invited to attend, you can ask questions at the end, and then we add the recording to the SKILLZ 3.0 platform so you can reference it at your own convenience. There's also all kinds of other perks and benefits, little Easter eggs that are included in the SKILLZ 3.0 library, but I'll leave those for you to surprise you and get you really excited when you join. Right now, we're running the Super Show special. It's not gonna last very long. It's 50% off the bronze membership for your first 90 days. So it's only $99 per month. So think about it this way. If SKILLZ saves you at least 1 hour a week of planning, or SKILLZ saves you at least 1 student, you've already doubled your return on investment. So that's the ROI. If you're interested in joining SKILLZ 3.0 and the bronze membership, comment Super Show and I will send you the link. Thank you, everybody.